Well, through the first month of the Midwest League season, the River Bandits have only played 3 home games on 2 home dates. But while the historic flooding is altering the early season schedule, modern Woodmen Park has yet to be affected. Local 4's Adam Rosso brings us the latest about the field conditions and when we might expect to see baseball again.
Modern Woodmen Park here in Davenport once again turned into a ballpark oasis because of the mighty Mississippi. The park now seeing its highest crest since those flood walls were put in place in 2004. River Bandits general manager Jacqueline Holmes says even with all the flooding around downtown Davenport, the ballpark is staying dry.
With the temporary levee breach yesterday, everyone was a bit concerned that the stadium might have been affected. To my knowledge, everything is okay inside the stadium, still dry, thankfully. The city of Davenport does have employees in there 24 hours a day monitoring the situation, so right now we're looking like we're in good shape. We're hoping that we can host at home, but right now it's looking like we may have to move those games on the road. All things considered, we'll be making a good decision on this about Thursday afternoon, just so that we can give people time to, our league especially, to make that decision alongside us. And the city of Davenport, of course, is involved along with our teams, our farm system, and then our league president helps us make that decision.
Holm added that the water level to watch for is 21 feet, saying the Bandits likely won't play a game here if it doesn't recede below that level. That could mean we won't see baseball here in Davenport again until May 24th. Reporting from Davenport, I'm Adam Rosso.